Welcome to HandiFox Online. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to scan lot and serial tracked items in and out of your inventory in the web app. If your business handles products with serial numbers, lot numbers, or expiration dates, this video will walk you through everything, from enabling tracking to receiving, labeling, and selling those items the right way. Before you can start scanning tracked items, you'll need to tell HandiFox how each product should be monitored. This is set up at the item level, either while creating a new item or editing an existing one. To enable tracking, open the item record and mark Tracking, then click Enable Tracking. Choose how you want the item to be tracked by serial number, lot number, expiration date, or any combination that fits your workflow. Finally, select your fulfillment logic, how HandiFox should suggest lots or serials during picking or shipping. FIFO, first in, first out, is perfect for items without expiration dates. If you choose FIFO, HandiFox will always suggest the oldest received stock first. FEFO, first expired, first out, works best for items with shelf lives. Choose FEFO if you need HandiFox to prioritize the lots that expire soonest. Next, let's see how to add serial or lot tracked items into your inventory. You have two options: scan them in during receiving or enter them manually. Let's start with scanning. It's the fastest and most accurate method since it captures data straight from barcode labels. Go to Purchases, Purchase Transactions. Open an existing purchase order or create a new item receipt. Select or scan the item, then click the Scan Serial or Lot field. Scan each serial or lot barcode attached to your product. Enter the quantity and expiration date if applicable, and click Save. You can review your newly added lots or serials anytime by going to Inventory, Serial/Lot Number, then selecting the item. Now let's explore option 2, entering serial or lot numbers manually. If your suppliers don't provide barcode labels, you can add numbers manually. Go to Inventory, Serial or Lot Number. Select the item and click Edit Numbers. Add your serial or lot value. Assign an expiration date if needed. Enter the quantity and click Save. If your supplier doesn't attach barcode labels, you can generate them directly in HandiFox. To do this, go to Inventory, Serial or Lot Number, select the item and the specific lot or serial. Click Print, choose your label format, size, and what data to display, print, and apply the labels to your products. Once your tracked items are in stock, HandiFox helps you maintain full traceability when they're sold, shipped, or transferred. Now let's see how you can deduct serials and lots from your current inventory. This can be done via Invoices. Go to Sales, Sales Transactions. Click the plus button and select Invoice. Add the item you're selling. Click the Scan Serial or Lot field. Scan the barcode for each lot or serial being sold. Enter the quantity and click Save or Save and Send. You'll use the same process when picking or packing orders, transferring inventory between locations, performing cycle counts, and creating sales receipts. And that's it. Now you know how to scan, track, and manage your lot and serial numbered items with confidence inside HandiFox Online.